Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Replit deployment errors step by step. If you're having trouble publishing your project or your deployment isn't working correctly, this guide will help you understand some common causes and possible solutions. First, open Replit and sign in to your account. From the home page, look at the left sidebar and click on the Published Projects section. This is where all of your successfully deployed projects will appear. As you can see, I don't have any published projects in my account right now, so this section is empty. If you already have one or more published projects, they will be listed here automatically. Simply open your published project and check its deployment status. If your deployment has failed, first make sure your project runs correctly without any errors. Refresh the page, check your internet connection, and then try publishing the project again. Also, make sure you're signed in to the correct Replit account. Sometimes deployment may fail because of temporary server issues or because some deployment features are limited on your current Replit plan. If everything is working properly, publish your project again. Once the deployment is successful, your project will appear in the Published Projects section, and Replit will generate a live URL that you can share with anyone, and that's all there is to it. That's how you can fix common Replit deployment errors. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Replit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.